Hi, welcome you all. Yes, absolutely right. Fantastic. Done well, Miss Roshni. Yeah, carry on with the same pace. Really done well, very fastly. Cool. Take another question of this. Hi all, welcome you all for the today's aptitude session. This is part 2 of the mathematical statistics. Part 2 of the mathematical statistics. Part 2 of the mathematical statistics. I already told in the yesterday's session or in part 1 the importance of mathematical statistics topic. It is a must topic for the company TCS and for the company Tech Mahindra. From the last 3 years there are the questions from this. Now in this topic we particularly learn about mean, mode, median, deviation, standard deviation and mean deviation, and range, comma, variance. So these are the terms and the related questions that we are going to learn. In the first session, I covered many of the questions related to mean. Now in this session, along with mean, I would like to cover the questions related to mode and the questions related to median also in part 2. Yeah, before going to start the session, the viewers who comes to watch this live session, please tell me whether the live is going on properly or not. Please do one text message, my dear aspirants. Yeah, in an increasing arithmetic progression of 20 items, the 10th term is 48 and the common difference is 4. So 10th term is 48, common difference is 4, which means 11th term is 52, right? 11th term is 52 because the terms are in arithmetic progression. Okay, the arithmetic mean of the 20 items, as how many terms are involved? 20 terms. Arithmetic mean, right? One term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, ninth term, 10th term, like this. For example, if you see 2, 4, 6, 8, 4 terms even, these 4 terms are in arithmetic progression because 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, which means these 4 terms are follows what progression? Arithmetic progression, because the common difference, right? Now in this case arithmetic mean is nothing but how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. Let us say number of terms are n, right? If the number of terms is even, then arithmetic progression is nothing but the mean of, average of n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1th term. The average of n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1th term. So n is how much? 4 here, number of terms. 4 by 2 is nothing but second term. 4 by 2 plus 1 is nothing but third term. Second term and third term. Second term is how much? 4. Third term is how much? 6. Their average, which is nothing but 5. Answer for this question is 5. In the similar way, here 20 items are there. So 20 by 2 comma 20 by 2 plus 1, which is nothing but 10th term comma 11th term. The average of 10th term comma 11th term. 10th term is how much? 48 plus 11th term is how much? 52 whole divided by 2, which is nothing but 100 by 2, nothing but 50. Answer for this question is 50. Previously asked question, I already told in the session 1 or part 1, every question that I am going to cover in these mathematical statistics, all are previously asked questions by the company Tata Consultancy Services, TCS. Next question. In 2021 August, which means 2 months back, this question has been asked by the company TCS. That too in day 1. That too in day 2. Right. Mean marks of class X. I mean mean in the sense average. Average marks of class X. Class X average is 83. Next, class Y average marks is 76. Class Z average marks is 85. Right? Average marks of the individual classes is 83, 76, 85. And mean marks of X and Y is 79. And mean marks of Y and Z is nothing but 81. Find the ratio of X, Y, Z. Find the ratio of X, Y, Z. See here, I would like to tell one beautiful property that before going to that, just right? Now, average marks of class X, average marks of class Y, average marks of X and Y. All these three are average marks. This is purely class X. This is purely class Y. This is both class X and Y. Now, if all these three terms are similar in nature, then you can apply the allegation like this. Higher value minus lower value. 83 minus 79 is nothing but 4. 79 minus 76 is nothing but 3. Which means X and Y are in what ratio? 3:4. In the similar way, we will see Y and Z. Y is how much? Average is 76. Class Z average is 85, nothing but mean. And Y and Z combined average is how much? 81. The three terms that we are put in mixing are of same nature. 81 minus 76 is nothing but 5. 85 minus 81 is nothing but 4. So Y and Z are in what ratio? 4:5. Now from this we are going to get X is to Y is to Z. In both the cases Y is 4 parts. So Z is 5 parts, right? And X is 3 parts. 3:4:5 is the answer. In both XY and YZ, Y is common. Y is 4 parts. Here also Y is 4 parts. The ratio of XYZ is 3:4:5. So this is nothing but allegation and mixer concept, which is exclusively used for the topic called weighted averages. Weighted averages, right? I will explain this topic at a length during the explanation of averages and then weighted averages. Nothing but allegation and mixer concept. This is allegation and mixer. The three values that we are going to put in mixing are of similar nature. Then only we can apply the allegation. Next question. Given below is a distribution of just see the question, is the distribution of, wait a minute my dear viewers. Given below is the distribution. Okay, what is the mean of different modes of the above mentioned multimodal distribution, right? So mode is nothing but simply what? Highest frequency, the term related to highest frequency. Remember this point. The term related to highest frequency is nothing but the mode. Now in this, the terms are in which way? In this, 1 is only one time is present, 2 is present 4 times, next 3 is present 1 time, next 4 is present 1 time, 5 is present 1 time, 6 is present 4 times, 7 is present 1 time, 8 is present 4 times, 9 is present 1 time, which means for the term 2 frequency is 4, for the term 6 frequency is 4, for the term 8 frequency is 4. Now the terms 2, 6, 8 is having same frequency. What was that frequency? 4. Frequency means how many times the same term is repeated, which is nothing but the frequency here. Here the term 2, term 6, term 4. All these three terms are repeated 4 times. Now, if the mode value is more than 1, take the average. If the mode value is more than 1, right, take the average. 2, 6, 8. 2 plus 6 plus 8 plus divided by 3. So nothing but 8 plus 2, 10, 16 by 3. 16 by 3 is nothing but 5.333. So mode of the, right, modes are 2, 6, 8. Their mean. He is asking mean of the modes. Modes are 2, 6, 8. Its mean is 5.33. Hope you all understand. Mode calculation, highest frequency, depends upon the data, calculation is going on. Mode, the new term that I am introducing, which is nothing but a mode. New term, mode, that I am introducing. Mode. What is the mean deviation? Till now we have calculated many questions related to mean, many questions related to mode. Just one question related to mode, many questions related to mean. In this mean, we just calculated we discussed direct series questions or individual series questions, as well as discrete series model also. Depending upon the data presentation, the mean calculation is varies. Repeatedly listen part 1, my dear viewers. Now mean deviation we have to calculate, right? Mean deviation is equal to what? Mean deviation is equal to sigma summation of xi minus x bar divided by n, number of terms. This is how you need to calculate mean deviation. First of all, we are going to calculate mean. X bar is nothing but mean. Mean is nothing but sum divided by number of terms. The sum of the given terms are 200 and the number of terms are 10. So that mean is nothing but 20. Now I am going to calculate the deviation. So modulus. Now modulus of 8 minus 20 plus modulus of 9 minus 20 plus modulus of 12 minus 20 plus modulus of 15 minus 20 modulus of 16 minus 20 modulus of 20 minus 20 plus modulus of 24 minus 20 plus modulus of 30 minus 20 plus modulus of 32 minus 20 plus modulus of 34 minus 20 summation. Whole divided by number of terms are n. For understanding purpose, I am writing this step. In the later stages, for these type of questions, I won't write this step directly. I am going to calculate. So which is nothing but modulus. So negative becomes positive. So here I am writing simply 12 plus 11 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 0 plus 6 plus 12 plus 14 whole divided by number of terms are 10. So this summation is nothing but 80. Number of terms are 10. Therefore the deviation is how much? 8. This is how you need to calculate mean deviation, right? Summation of xi minus x bar divided by n, right? X bar is nothing but mean. Next question, what is the mean deviation? Mean deviation from the medians of the given data. So the 34, 46, 28. So first of all, I am going to calculate mean. Mean is nothing but x bar. Sum is how much? 156. 6 plus 156 divided by number of terms are 4. So which means 39 we got. Now deviations. 34 minus 39 is simply 5. Modulus of minus 5 is 5. Plus 46 minus 39 is nothing but 7. 28 minus 39 is minus 11. Modulus is 11. Plus 48 minus 39 is nothing but 9. Divided by deviations. Divided by number of terms are 4. This sum is how much? Sum is 20, 32, 8. 32 by 4 is 8. Deviation. This is previously asked question 2 years back, TCS question. What is the median of the, now he is asking the median, new term median. Till now we calculated mean for the different varieties of data in session 1, and then next mode we just calculated. Now we coming to median, and mean deviation is also over. Mean deviation also we done. I just introduced all these. Calculation of mean for different types of data we have seen in session 1, that is part 1. Then in this session mode we just calculated, mean deviation we just calculated. Now coming to median. For calculation of median, first we need to arrange the data either in ascending order or in descending order. For the calculation of median, first of all we need to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. First we have to do this, right? So most of the times I'm going to arrange the data in ascending order. Now I'm going to arrange the data in ascending order. So the data in ascending order, first of all I would like to do that data in ascending order. If we do the data in ascending order, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 12, 14, 15, ascending order. After writing in ascending order, count the number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So which means n is equal to 8. Number of terms are 8. Now median is nothing but the value at median is nothing but first of all we need to locate the place. How to locate the place? N plus 1 by 2th place. N is how much? 8. 8 plus 1 by 2, 9 by 2, which is nothing but 4.5th place. So we got a decimal 4.5, which means the value at 4th place plus value at 5th place divided by 2. This is median. For this type of individual series. This is how. Now 4th place, 1, 2, 3, 4th place, 5th place. 4th place is 7, 5th place is 11. From where we have to take the 4th place and 5th place? After ascending in ascending order. After placing the data in ascending order, from this you need to select the 4th place value, you need to select the 5th place value. 4th place value is 7, 5th place value is 11, divided by 2. 18 by 2, therefore 9. Median is 9. I hope you are understanding well. You all understand it well. Next one, calculate the median of the following series. Again median. First of all, arrange the given data in ascending order. I am writing. Ascending order is what? 7, 12, 15, 25, 38, 39, 42, 91, right? 42, 91, ascending order. Now how median is nothing. First of all, location. Identify the location. Where is the location? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 places. So location is nothing but 8 plus 1 by 2th place. 9 by 2 is nothing but 4.5. 4.5th place. Nothing but the value at 4th place plus value at 5th place divided by 2. Value at the 4th place is nothing but 25. Value at the 5th place is nothing but 38. 25 plus 38 divided by 2. 48, 58, 63. 63 divided by 2 is nothing but 31.5. 31.5 is nothing but median. Individual series. This is also individual series. This is also individual series. Depending upon the data distribution, we can calculate. Next, here also median calculation, but the data presentation is different, right? X values, F frequency, X values, F frequency, X values, F frequency, right? What we need to calculate? Median. Now, this type of presentation of data is nothing but a discrete data presentation. Discrete mode of presentation of data. Now, we have two cases in discrete mode of data presentation. This is the case one. This is the case one. Another case I already explained. I already explained case one discrete model as well as case two discrete model for the calculation of mean. Now, for the case one discrete model, case two discrete model, median calculation. Median calculation. First of all, what we need to know is for the median calculation, we need to arrange the data in ascending order. In ascending order or descending order. For the time being, we are arranging in ascending order. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Yeah, ascending order is already given. Ascending order is already given, right? So no problem at all. Then this 4 meaning is what? 6 is repeated 4 times. 6, 6, 6, 6 repeated 4 times. Next, this 7 meaning is what? The 12 is repeated 7 times. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 4 plus 1, 10 places are over. 10 places. What is the number in 4? What is the number in 7th place? Nothing but 12. What is the number in 3rd place? Nothing but 6. Here, this is how you need to understand. You need to understand first of all. Yeah. Now, calculate the cumulative frequency first. Cumulative frequency. Nothing but 4. Next, 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 9 is nothing but 20. 20 plus 18, nothing but 38. 38 plus 15, 48, 53. 53 plus 10, 63. 63. 63 plus 5 is nothing but 68. Nothing but cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Nothing but cumulative frequency. Now, here, cumulative frequency is how much? Cumulative frequency is how much? We just calculated the cumulative frequency 4, 11, 20, 38, 53, 63, 68. Now if we add this sigma f also, how much you are going to get? 68, because finally is 68. Sigma f is 68. Okay. Now what we need to calculate? This n by 2, sigma f by 2. Next what you need to calculate is sigma f by 2, or instead of this, what I am going to suggest is this is n here. This is n here. Now location, I already told, first we need to locate the place. Now location, nothing but n plus 1 by 2th place. N is how much? 68. 68 plus 1. 68 plus 1, 69. 69 by 2 is nothing but 34.4th place, which is nothing but value at 34th place plus value at 35th place divided by 2. Now, what is the value at the 34th place? This is important. See here. Here, cumulative frequency row, cumulative frequency column. Everybody observe the cumulative frequency column. Here, 20 is over. 20 is over, which means 21 to 38, the values. 21 to 38 terms. 21 to 38. All those terms are what? All those terms are what? 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, like this. From where? From 21st term to 38th term. 21st term to 38 term. All the terms are what? 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, like that. Okay, right. We need 34. So 34th place, which one will be there? 24. 35th place also, which one is there? 24. Because our 34 place and 35 place is in this range, which means in this range all the terms are 24, 24. So 24 plus 24 by 2, 48 by 2, which is nothing but a 24. Simply answer is 24. We will see few more questions on the same distribution. You will understand in a better way. Yeah, next. Yeah, median calculation. Right. Now 40, 34, 42, 25, 38, 20. The data is not in ascending order, not in descending order. It is randomly given. So we need to arrange the data in either ascending order or in descending order. So first of all, I want to arrange the data in ascending order. Right. I'm arranging the data in ascending order. I'm cancelling all these terms. X, the terms X, I'm arranging in ascending order and corresponding frequencies. So which one is least? 20, next 25, next 34, next 38, next 40, next 42. So the frequencies for 20, frequency is how much? 12. Like this. For 25, frequency is 8. Next 5. Next for 38, it is a 10. Next, this is for 44, 42, 11. Now calculate sigma f. Sigma f is how much? 20, 30, 35, 15, 50. Sigma f is 50. Nothing but n here. Now cumulative frequency. CF is cumulative frequency. 12, 8, 20, 13, 23, 23. Somewhere it is wrong. 12 plus 8. Sorry. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 10. 35. 35 plus 4. 39. 39 plus 11 is nothing but 50. Frequency, cumulative line. So which means the total 50 terms are there. 50 terms. Now location. Simply n plus 1 by 2th location. N is how much? 50. 50 plus 1 by 2. 51 by 2. 51 by 2 is nothing but 25.5. 25.5 to location, which means the value at 26th location and the value at 26. The value at 25th location and the value at 26th location divided by 25 divided by 2. Right. So what is the value at 25th location? Here C. Here ending at 25. 25 locations are ends here. Right. 25. So 25 location between this and this. 21 location, 22 location, 23 location, 24 location and 25 location. Here ends it 20. From there onwards the number 34 starts. In all these locations, which number will be present? 34. So the value at 25th location is 34 plus. Now 26th. So 26th I am talking. Now value at 26th location. Here 25 is over, which means 26th location, 27th location, 28th location, 29th location up to 35th location. What value is present? 38 will be present. 38 up to 35th location. So value at 26th location is nothing but 38. 34 plus 38 by 2. 30, 30, 60, 72 by 2, 36. This is how you need to calculate the median. I have been explained two questions. In the previous question, the data were straight away given in ascending order. Now in this question, the data is not given in ascending order. We are placing in ascending order. Later we calculated. Now median of the data. Again median. median, right? How many students? 40 students. 5, so 10, 24, 30, 45, 17, 18. So the data is not in ascending order. First of all, arrange the data in ascending order, X and F. So which one comes first? 10, then 17, next 18, next 24, next 30, next 45, right? So my dear viewers, please tell me whether the live is going on properly or not. Please tell me whether the live is going on properly or not. Please tell me whether the live is going on properly or not. Right, corresponding frequency 10 ka corresponding frequency 5, 17 ka corresponding frequency 7, 18 ka corresponding frequency is 8, 24 ka corresponding frequency is 4, 30 ka corresponding frequency is 13, 45 ka corresponding frequency is 3, right? Total is how much? Sigma f, nothing but n here. So 5 plus 7, so cumulative frequency will see this is 5, this is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 4 is 26, 26, 36, 39, sorry, somewhere we did the mistake. 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 4 is 24 here, 24, 24 plus 13 is 37, 37 plus 3 is 40, so sum is 40. Now location. Now location, n plus 1 by 2, the terms. N is nothing but 40, 40 plus 1, 41, 41 by 2 is 20.5, 20.5, which means the value at 20th location and value at 21st location divided by 2. So 20th location, here 20th location ends, corresponding value is 18. Now 21st location, 22nd location, 23rd, 24, 25. Which value is present? 24. 18 plus 24 divided by 2. Nothing but 24, 34, 32, 6. 24, 34, 42. 42 by 2 is 21. 21. 21 is the median, right? Please tell me, my dear viewers, whether the live is going on properly or not. This is what I am asking repeatedly. Repeatedly, I am asking this one, whether the live is going on. 21 is the median, right? Yeah, next question. Now see, the data is given in different discrete form. This is case 2 of the discrete form. Case 2 of the discrete form. Case 2 of the discrete form. Here also we need to calculate the median, right? Right, discrete from case 2. 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600. Another important model. Now for this discrete forms, a case 2, median calculation I am explaining. Median is nothing but L plus h by f into L plus h by f into n by 2 minus c. N by 2 minus c. I will explain each and every term. First of all, we need to locate the modal class. We need to locate the what? Modal class. Modal class. We need to locate what? Modal class. That is important point. How to locate the modal class? I will explain. Right? I will explain. Now, first of all, cumulative frequency calculation. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 18 is nothing but a 29. 29 plus 12, 39, 41. 41 plus 6, 47. Now this is n. This is n. Right? (47) is the cumulative frequency. N is how much? N is nothing but sigma f. Sigma f, n is how much? 47. This sum is how much? 47. 47 divided by 2. N by 2. N by 2. N by 2. N by 2. 47 by 2. 23.5. 23.5. Based on this 23.5, this location we need to identify. This location 23.5. This location based on this 23.5. 23.5. That location here, location number 11 is over. Location number 12 to location number 29. All these locations are belongs to this class. All these locations are belongs to this class. 23.5 is in this range. 23.5 is in this range. Therefore, the model class is this one. This is the first and foremost and important. First and foremost and important. First and foremost and important point. Locating the model class. Locating the model class is very important, very important for these discrete type of data. Right now, location 12 to location 29 belongs to this model class. 23.5 is definitely in this range. Therefore, model class is 400 to 500. Model class is 400 to 500. Model class is nothing but 400 to 500. Model class is nothing but 400 to 500. Now, model class 400 to 500 and the corresponding frequency is how much? 18. Now, in this model class and the frequency, this lower boundary is nothing but L. This frequency is nothing but F here. F here. Frequency of the model class, or you can write FM also. FM is nothing but frequency of the model class. L is nothing but lower boundary of the model class. Lower boundary of the model class. Now n by 2. Yeah, here it is n by 2. Now what is C? C is nothing but cumulative frequency just before model class. Cumulative frequency just before model class. Now for this model class, what is the cumulative frequency just before model class? Is nothing but 11. This is C. Now substitute, and nothing but H. H is nothing but height. This is the height. This is nothing but H, or this is nothing but H. This is nothing but H. H is how much? 100. H is how much? 100. Therefore, L is 400 lower boundary. H is nothing but 100 divided by frequency of the model class is 18. N by 2 is nothing but 23.5. Cumulative frequency just before the model class is 11. Right? This calculation we need. This is the calculation we need. 400 plus 100 by 18 into 23.5 minus 11. I already calculated. That's why I'm giving the value directly. 469.44. 469.44. Right? Median calculation, second variety of case 2. Second variety. Right? Discrete data, second variety. We will see one more question of this category. Now, discrete median. Again, median calculation. Right. Now, this total is how much? Quickly I am going to calculate. Nothing but n. This total is how much? Do the calculation little bit faster, my dear viewers. This calculation is how much? Is nothing but 50. So that implies n by 2 is nothing but how much? 25. N by 2 is nothing but 25. If you calculate the cumulative frequency, you can locate. This is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 15 is 28. 28, 38, 44. 44 plus 6 is 50. Okay. Now we need the location 25 because n by 2 is 25. N by 2 is 25. Here location 13 will be over. Sorry. Here location 13 is over. Now location 14 to 2, location 28. In all these locations, this is in this range of locations, this 25 will be present, which means this is the model class. This is the model class. This is the 20 to 30 is the model class. 14 to 28, in that range 25 will be present. From 14 to 28, what range of numbers are present? 20 to 30. 20 to 30, this range of numbers are present. This range of numbers are present from 20 to 30, right? So the model class is 20 to 30. Therefore 20 to 30 is the model class. Corresponding frequency is 15. Now median is nothing but what? Median is nothing but L plus h by fm, frequency of the modal class, into n by 2 minus c. I am substituting. L is nothing but lower boundary. This is L. This is nothing but frequency of the modal class fm. N by 2 we already calculated 25. C is nothing but the cumulative frequency just before the modal class. Cumulative frequency just before the modal class. This is right. Now what we need? H. H is nothing but the width. 10 to 0, width is 10. So substitute. L is nothing but lower boundary of the modal class 20. H width is 10 divided by frequency of the modal class is 15 into n by 2 is 25 minus cumulative frequency just before the modal class, which is nothing but 13. This is 13. Now if we solve, we are going to get the value as 28. That is the median value. So that is the median value. That's the median value, right? Next question. With what value should the highest quantity in the data should replace so that mean and median becomes equal? First, for this data, mean and median should be equal. For this data, mean and median should be equal. For that, what we need to do, we replace the highest value. Okay, first of all, I'm going to calculate the mean. Mean is nothing but sum by number of terms. Sum of these terms is I already calculated, which is 280, and the number of terms are nothing but 8, which is nothing but 35. Mean is nothing but 35. Now I want to calculate the median of this data. For the calculation of median of the data, first we need to arrange the data in ascending order. We need to arrange the data in ascending order. If I arrange the data in ascending order, 14, 18, 26, 32, 35, 38, 52, 65, highest number, right? Now after locating, number of terms are 8. Number of terms are 8. So median is nothing but, first we need to locate location. Location is nothing but, for this type of data, n plus 1 by 2 to location. For this type of data, n plus 1 by 2 to location. N is nothing but 8, number of terms. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 1 by 2, 9. 9 by 2 is nothing but 4.5th location, which is nothing but value at 4th location plus value at 5th location divided by 2. What is the value at 4th location in this ascending order? In this ascending order, 4th location is 32, 5th location is 35 divided by 2. 32 plus 35 by 2. 32 plus 35 by 2, which is nothing but 67 by 2, nothing but 33.5. This is nothing but median. But what we need, mean and median both should be equal. For that, what we have to do, we need to replace the highest value. Now I am replacing this highest value by x. Highest value by x. Highest value by x. Now I want to calculate the mean. Now mean, how much I have to get? 33.5. Now I want to get the mean as how much? Median. That median is 33.5. This is equal to, now I am replacing this 65 by what? X. So x plus 52 plus 14 plus 26 plus 18 plus 35 plus 32 plus 38. Sum of the terms divided by number of terms, right? Sum of the terms divided by number of terms. 33.5 into 8, which is nothing but 268, is equal to x plus, this summation is how much? 215. So therefore x is equal to how much? 268 minus 15, nothing but 53. So the highest value should replace by 53. If you replace this highest value by 53, in that case the mean value and median value is, the mean value and median value becomes equal. Mean and median becomes equal. That's it. Next question. The collection of numbers which comprise the data given are arranged in already the given data is in ascending order, and this data median is 12.5. What is the n value? How many terms these? 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 terms are there. Location is nothing but n plus 1 by 2 to location. N is how much? 8 plus 1 is 9 by 2 to location, which is nothing but 4.5, 4.5th location. Therefore the value at 4th location plus value at 5th location divided by 2, which will gives what? Median, and that median value is given by 12.5. What is the location? What is the value at 4th location? 4th location is n minus 1. 5th location is 15 divided by 2. Okay, 12.5 into 2 is 25. 25 minus 15. 10 plus 1, 11. So therefore n is equal to how much? 11. Answer for this question. N is equal to how much? 11. Now coming to mode calculation. Now mode calculation for the discrete data. Mode calculation for the discrete data, my dear viewers, different. Mode calculation for the discrete data, right? Follow very well. Mode calculation for the discrete data. Now for this discrete data, mode is nothing but, I am writing, mode is nothing but L plus H into frequency of the modal class minus frequency before the, just before the modal class, divided by 2fm minus frequency of the modal class, cumulative frequency just before the modal class minus cumulative frequency just after modal class. F1 is what? Cumulative frequency just before the modal class, and F2 frequency after the modal class. Fm frequency of the modal class, not cumulative frequency. Very sorry my dear viewers, frequency of the modal class, frequency just before the modal class, frequency just after modal class, right? L is nothing but lower boundary of the modal class. H is nothing but the width. Now H is how much? 10. H is 10. Now we got H as 10. Now modal class, we need to identify what? Modal class. Now modal class, how to identify the modal class? How to identify the modal class? Modal class, how to identify the modal class here, right? The class with highest frequency is nothing but modal class. The class with highest frequency is nothing but modal class. Here the highest frequency is 30. So this is modal class. Highest frequency is 30. This is modal class. This is modal class. Highest frequency is 30. This is modal class. Therefore 40, 50. Lower boundary, this is nothing but L. What is the corresponding frequency is how much for this modal class? 30. This is nothing but Fm. The frequency just before the modal class is nothing but F1. The frequency just after modal class is nothing but F2. Everything is there, you just substitute. Everything is there, you just substitute. L is how much? 40 plus H is how much? 10 into Fm, frequency of the modal class is 30 minus just before the modal class frequency is 14. 2fm nothing but 60. Now f1 is nothing but 14. F2 frequency just after the modal class is nothing but 26. Very simple, right? The calculation of mode for the discrete data I already calculated. I got the value as 48. Already calculated, I got the value as 48. 48. Right? Next question. Find the mean of the mean value, calculate child. Denikandi for this data mode median. For this data mode calculation and for this data median calculation. After that this mean. add divided by 2. Mode plus median divided by 2. You will get the mean value. Mean is simply nothing but average. Now for this data, first I am going to calculate mode. Mode is nothing but highest frequency. What is the term which is highest frequency? Right, in this 13 is occurred 3 times. Highest frequency may be 3. Any other more than 3 times? Any other number occurred 3 times? More than 3 times? Any other number occurred more than 3 times? Right, so 13 is occurred more number of times. The term which occurs more number of times is nothing but the mode. More number of times is nothing but the frequency. How many times the same number is repeated, which is nothing but the frequency. How many times the same number is repeated, which is nothing but the frequency. Which is nothing but the frequency. Here 13 is the number is repeated 3 times, which is highest among the rest of the numbers. No number is repeated more than 3 times. So 13. So mode value is how much? 13. Simple, right? 13 is repeated more number of times. That is the reason why 13. For example, let us say 13 is repeated 3 times. Let us say one more number, 25. If 25 is repeated 3 times, then how to find the mode? Simply 13 plus 25 by 2. Mode is this one. 2 terms are having same frequency. 2 terms are having same frequency, which are highest frequency numbers. In that case, take the average. But here not that difficult case. We already seen this case in the starting session. So highest number of times the number is repeated is 13. So mode is 13. Now median. For the calculation of median, what we have to do? For the calculation of median, what we have to do? See, 9, 10, 12, just ascending order. Nothing more than that. Ascending order. My dear viewers, ascending order. 9, 10, 12, 13, 13, 13, next 15, 15, next 16, 16, next 22, next 23, next 24, again 24, 25. Arranging the numbers in the ascending order. This is done. Now, how many numbers these? These numbers are how many? 16 numbers. Now location. I am calculating median, my dear viewers. Location is nothing but n by n plus 1 by 2 to location. N is nothing but number of terms, 16. 16 plus 1 by 2, 17 by 2. 17 by 2. 8.5. 8.5, which means the value at 8th location plus value at 9th location divided by 2. Value at 8th location plus value at 9th location. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Value at 8th location is 15. And value at 9th location is 16. 15 plus 16 by 2. 31 by 2, which is nothing but 15.5. Median is nothing but 15.5. What we need? Mean of median and mode. Mode calculation, median calculation is over. For this mean, so mean is nothing but their average. Mode is how much? 13. Median is how much? 15.5. Their mean value, which is nothing but by 2. 13, 28.5 by 2, which is nothing but 14.25. 14.25 is the required answer, which was there, right? That's the end of my today's session, my dear viewers, right? Repeatedly listen session 1 and then session 2, session 1 and then section 2. Then in the next session, I'm going to explain part 3. In part 3, I'm going to cover standard deviation and then variance, standard deviation and variance and the range also, right? Tomorrow or the next session is the last session of the mathematical statistics. Thank you one and all for joining the today's aptitude session, my dear viewers. I'm signing off.